Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nushi. I create videos about UX UI design and how to improve in your design career. This is the first Webflow series for portfolio creation. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter where I share more product design tips and tricks for you. I'm gonna help you to create your portfolio step by step, and we're starting with the sticky navigation. This is the navigation at the top. You don't need to know how to use Webflow or create this stuff from scratch because there's a template marketplace that you can just use free sections. This is the Webflow homepage, like webflow.com, and you come to the resources, then you go to the made in Webflow. Here you can just write whatever you need. Right now we need a navigation bar, so you just type in nav bar. And then there's lots of great examples that you can just clone and copy to use your own and just customize them. This is really great, guys, and it's such a time-saving thing to do. So this is the one that I was interested to go with because it has lots of great navigation bar in different styles. Click on clone in Webflow, and this is that simple. Choose your workspace and create the site. Let's go to my dashboard. This is gonna be something like this. Let's click on that, and we're gonna just Command C if you have Mac and Control C if you have Windows to copy. You can also just right click and hit copy. To copy that, just the navigation bar, as you can see, it is selected, and then we're gonna go to our own portfolio page. So this is my portfolio. Let me actually create a new page so that you can see. Let's create a new page, create new page, and I'm just gonna create that. So on body, we're gonna just hit Command V to paste the navigation bar that we just copied. As you can see, is just right here. This is great, guys. And here in the template, so we have our logo here. The links are gonna be here, and then the like CTA button, whatever that you want to have. Let me delete these, and maybe I'm gonna upload my logo here. So replace image. Let's and you can just upload your images from this section. Upload your logo, for example, something like this. This is a cute logo. For example, this is the logo. Let's shrink it down. This is good. And here are the links. You can just write projects. The CTA button, so let's call it download resume. Okay, perfect. Here I have a download icon logo. Try to have all of your icons on your website very consistent in terms of style, like stroke size and everything. I got everything from the Google Materials icons, and you can customize the icons based on your preferences. So let's go to the Google Material icons. There we go. Here. So here you can select the icons from the left navigation. Let's search download, and here all of the download icons, and we can just customize width if we want to make it bold or just light. This is medium. Size of the icon, 24 pixels is okay. Outline, rounded. I like rounded, it's so friendly. Click on this one, choose the format. I recommend SVG because it keeps quality of the icon regardless of the resolution of the page. And by hitting Command Z, you can just undo your changes, and Command Shift Z, you can redo. Let's add an image. You can add elements from the left side, hit the plus sign, and then let's add an image here. And here you can just replace the image with the icon that we just created. So let's do the white one. let's remove the fill for this one. Removing the fill. And then for the whole block, I'm gonna add a fill, color fill, purple. Let's round the corners. Let's add padding, and by clicking on Alt and dragging this, I just customize both sides of the padding. Round the corners more. This is the properties panel. You can just edit and customize all of the design details. There is a hover on this one. Let's delete that. Okay, perfect. You can just customize the font, for example, this one, and as you can see, there's a class applied to this link so that all of the elements with the same class are gonna affect and are gonna have the same changes that you can use on each of them. For example, as you can see, if I change the color, all of those classes will have the change. Okay, I recommend you to watch the Webflow University and Webflow courses. They have a lot of tutorials on YouTube that you can watch. I did the same thing. When I scroll on my page, there's a background blur applied to the navigation, which gives a nice modern feeling. I love that. First of all, let's add the position. The position should be sticky, so sticky at the top. Let's do sticky navigation. For the background blur, we click our navbar. You can come to the backdrop filter so that it adds the blur on the parent element of the navigation. You can just customize the filter, and you can just customize the radius of your blur. I have 16 pixels. This navigation is already had all of the specifications for the tablet and mobile. So if I switch to tablet, you can see we have the hamburger menu, and on mobile as well, which is really nice. So if I preview this, you can see that my menu is very responsive. If you come to the setting, if we click on show, we can see when the drop down is open. You can go to the style panel and just edit everything like the padding. It doesn't affect a tablet or desktop. When the color is blue, it represents that this change is only affects on this size, like on the mobile size, from a range of this kind of width. For the hover states, as you can see, I want to add padding on the left and right side of my link. By the link selected, we go to the drop-down menu. You can see all of the states are here. So hover, we click on hover because I want to change that. By holding options and dragging, you can. We're gonna do 17. Now all of our links have the same padding on the hover. On the box shadow, I added purple shadow, and you can edit all of the specifications from this bar. So when we hover over, there's a light drop shadow, and my fill color is also purple. Make it fun and creative. Let's go back to the none and default. Let's talk about adding the interactions on the navigation links. I have speaking and writing at the bottom of the page. Whenever a user clicks on speaking, I want the page to scroll down to the speaking section. How can we do that? Select the section and come to the setting, write an ID for that, and have the section tag, and then we select our speaking link, come to the link setting. We want to link it to the page section, and then here we can just choose our section, which is speaking and writing. Let's preview, and I can demonstrate better here. When we click on the speaking section, it scrolls down to the speaking section, which is great. We apply the same change on the writing. So we come to the setting, we add the page section, and then we choose the speaking writing. Perfect. So if I play, if I come to the writing, you can see my writing and newsletter section is scrolled. As you can see, they turn into blue. We are just gonna click on focus, And we change the color for the focused sections from here so that we can change the blue color to, for example, purple, so that it shows that it is selected. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you are creating your portfolio right now, I recommend you to watch this video because I go over my latest portfolio design and just talk about each section and give you tips around like projects, hero banner, everything. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out my future design video tips and tutorials. Bye!